Hi there, this is a 1-point perspective question with a bit of a twist from the 0445 spec 2019. The left-hand half of the developmental net for another point of sale display is shown below. So you've got the net there. The development net is made from card. So you can see you've got all the measurements and it's a shape. Complete this in the space below a 1-point perspective view of the fully assembled development net in a scale of 1 to 2. So it's 1 to 2, 1/2 half size. So you need to half all the measurements first. That's the first thing to do on a question. 55 is 27.5. 25 is 12.5, and again here 12.5. So this is obviously where that point is there. 25 is 12.5, so that's to the bottom here, but there's a little rise here we're going to have to consider. 140 is 70, 110 is 55, and 10 is 5. So we need to know this height of the front here. To do that, it's the difference here. So it's going to be, this is the full height 70 minus this and this added together. So 55 and 12.5 added together is 67.5, and that's 70. So the difference there you've got is 2.5. So you know to the bottom here is 12.5. So this difference here is 2.5. So you've got 12.5 plus 2.5. So this distance to the front is going to be 15. So that's worked that out. So now we need to use this to draw our shape. So we haven't got a flat front shape, we've got it at a slight angle. So looking at those lines, they look a little bit short, so I'm just going to extend them slightly using the angle they've given me. So this full bottom, so the shape is this shape with a slight rise. This full bottom part is 25. So you're looking at that, I'm measuring 25 is to there, and the top is 5. So just checking this, it's a little bit short, so making that 5. So from there, it's a vertical, so putting in that vertical now. And we know this front vertical here is 15. And we know this mid distance here is 12.5, so there's a dip, goes down and then up. So that's 25 to this midpoint, so that's 12.5, halfway. And this height here is 12.5 as well. So we know this line goes down and then up. So doing that here, it's going to look a little bit weird at this angle. So that's the front shape. From here, everything goes back to the vanishing point. And this dip here. And the distance The depth of it, because this would fold round, is 27.5. Unusual to have it in perspective, but 27.5. Putting this vertical in. And then just mirroring this line. So everything is going to be 27.5, so you can just measure along the lines. And join them up. Because it's not isometric at the front, it's just a little bit out. And there you have your 1 point perspective.